Hello there, good evening. Looks like we could be in for a mostly dry but a rather chilly Christmas ahead. Until then, we're still in that mild air. There will be some outbreaks of rain around at times, but some clear skies tonight towards northern areas of the UK in particular. But it's cloudier, it's breezier than it was last night, and there will be a few outbreaks of mostly light patchy rain and drizzle on and off at times. But it's a mostly frost-free start to the day tomorrow. Maybe a touch of frost just in the shelter glens of northern Scotland here. Certainly a mild start to Sunday morning, milder than it was this morning. It's quite a messy picture tomorrow. There'll be plenty of cloud around, still some outbreaks of rain, most of it light and patchy, but some heavier downpours maybe for Devon and Cornwall, maybe some rain too just further east along the south coast later on through the day, with the best of the brightness generally to the west of high ground, across northern Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps northwest England too, and it's still mild temperatures for the most part in double figures. Now I'll just show you quickly what's happening into the start of next week. Some further outbreaks of rain across northwestern areas of the UK on Monday. It's a quieter day on Tuesday. High pressure out towards Scandinavia starts to build in. That's dragging in an easterly wind. Here comes the colder air now marked in blue for Christmas Eve and for Christmas Day itself. Now here's the outlook. This is what we're thinking at the moment. Could be one or two snowflakes. Perhaps I wouldn't totally rule it out, but it certainly does look colder. Keep up to date on the BBC weather app. Hello there, good evening. Looks like it could be quite a chilly Christmas ahead, but at the moment it is still mild for the time of year. It's been a largely dry day today, some areas of mist and fog, a beautiful sunset, and already some rain across the far south and west. Now that rain drifts a little further northwards overnight. Tonight it turns lighter, much more patchy. It's a cloudier, breezier night than we saw last night, so there won't be as much mist and fog around, and it won't be as cold either, but still maybe a touch of frost across parts of Scotland, particularly the shelter glens there. And tomorrow, well, it's a very messy picture. Now there will be a lot of cloud around. Still some heavier downpours of rain across parts of Devon and Cornwall, maybe some heavier downpours too across parts of the Channel Islands into Hampshire and Sussex later on through the afternoon. The best of the brightness despite the cloud will probably be for northwest England, Northern Ireland, maybe parts of western Scotland. Temperatures still in double figures, so it is still mild. Now I'll show you what happens for the start of next week. Still some more weather fronts around, giving us some outbreaks of rain on Monday into Tuesday. Very light winds on Tuesday, high pressure over Scandinavia built in from the east. So we are going to be drawing in an easterly wind. And as you can see, marked by the blue air, it's going to turn a lot colder as we head towards Christmas Eve and Christmas Day itself. Here's the outlook for our capitals. You can find out the full Christmas forecast for where you live on the BBC Weather app. Have a good evening.